Welcome to dbtech. Today we will see how to create the database using DBCA in 19C. So first, as a Oracle user, create these two directories to store our redo logs and control files and data files, and go to your Oracle home bin directory and run the DBCA as a graphical user interface. Okay, so first, as a Oracle user, I'm going to create these two directories. ID, I'm an Oracle user. So U02 doesn't have the permissions. So that is the reason it has given permission denied. Let me log in as a root. Password is welcome. I'm giving full permissions on U02. Okay, exit. And again, I'm in a Oracle user. Now create the directory. It got created. Again, create the U02 FRA for our redo logs, archive logs, and flashback logs. If you want to save, you can use this directory. And as a graphical user interface in your Oracle home bin directory, you need to run the DBCA. All right. So this is my VMware. So just give enter. As an Oracle user, I just logged in. Right click, open terminal. Go to your home U01 app Oracle product 19C and db home _1. Here, go to the bin directory. So now you could see that I'm in U01 app db home _1/bin. This is my RDBMS home. Here you could able to see DBCA. This is the executable file. So ./DBCA. It will pop up with graphical user interface. It will pop up another window. Here, step 1 out of 14. Create the database. In first screen, I'm going to select create the database. Next, I'm going to take the advanced configurations. Next, here I'm going to take the single instance and general purpose. I'm not going to change anything. Next, here just uncheck this one. This is for the multi-tenant purpose. We are just creating the database, normal database. Okay, my database is dbtech. My database name is dbtech. Next, use the following in step 5. Use the following for the database storage attributes where I want to keep my data files. For that reason, I have already created the directory U02 oradata dbtech. So you can browse or you can type directly. So I'm going to browse here U02 oradata dbtech. This is the directory I want to give for my data files. Okay, next. Fast recovery area or flash recovery area or FRA, where you want to keep your flashback logs or archive logs or redo log files, where you want to keep it. For that reason, I have already created U02 FRA. So browse U02 FRA. How much space you want to give for the U02 FRA? Okay, I have given by default, it has been taken 8 GB. I'm just keeping as it is. If you want, you can enable the archive logging also. Okay, I'm not doing right now. Just give next. If you want to configure the listener, you can do it here or you can do it later. Next. I'm not going to enabling any data vault or label security. Next. Here, we will be having SGA and PGA, right? How much space you want to give. Okay, currently if you see free-g, my entire operating system RAM is 18 GB. So out of that, I want to give 2 GB. So what I'm going to give is 1500 MB for my SGA and 500 MB for my PGA. I'm just giving that, splitting the RAM. I have given total 2 GB because I have already having 18 GB. Out of that, I have given SGA as 1500 MB, PGA as 500 MB. Next. If you have less memory, you can decrease these values as per your RAM size. I'm just disabling this enterprise edition option. Next. Here, if you want to set the password and system, you can mention separately, or if you want to keep for both the same password, you can mention, you can select this one. I'm selected this one. I've given the password as welcome. Next. Yes, do you want to proceed? Continue. Create the database. Yes, next. Here it is going to give what are the information we have given till now. It is going to give the same. So it will give like what is the database name, okay, and what is the file system it is going to take, like what is the DB block size 8 KB, and what is the compatibility 19C version, and U0 to FRA user FRA and 8 GB we have given, and where are the data files it is going to save, where are the control files and Redolog files it is going to save. If you want to save your response file, if you want to create multiple databases with the same configuration, you can save this response file, okay, dbtech.rsp. In Oracle home directory, you are going to create that, or you can create, you can save it in U02 for safer side, save, and click on finish. It will create the database. It will take some time. I'm pausing this video. So once the database got created, you can see that Oracle database creation is completed, and this is the log file location you can see, and you can close this one once the database got created. And once come to your putty session, ps-ef grep pmon, you can see your database dbtech which got created just now. It is shown here, and also your database entry will be there in Aura tab. This is the entry and this is the home it has been using for the database. If you want to log into the database, just set the environment .orinv and set the environment SQL plus sysdba, select name, open mode, comma, database role from $database. You can see my database is dbtech and currently in read write mode, and database role is primary. Thank you.